Wow, I don't know. I didn't know this. I didn't know that there are fishes around here. Usually places like this are so dirty. There's a pothole here. You see a lot of fishes. What kind of fish is this? Oh, can't really tell, but oh, look at that. It's quite a nice looking fish. Wow, exciting. Oh, wow, quite a lot of fishes. But anyway, okay, that is where that corner on the left is where they're building the maintenance uh, facility for MRT or LTR, whatever, kind of like train stations to maintain all the train here on the left side. So this place should be worth a bit of money now, since they're gonna put this facility here. They're building it. There we go, Pelita Indah, and this is something, don't know. Okay, CTS right here. You can see CTS condominiums. CTS now, due to the we can say recession and pandemic recessions in Malaysia, property here is quite cheap. Condominium here, probably less than $500,000 ringgit, 125 US thousand dollars for a small place. If it's studio, it could be cheaper. For a bigger one, 1,000+ square feet, 1,000+, probably around 700,000. Just divide by 4. For Singaporean, divide by 3. Very affordable. Oh, look at that! You see that? This Komodo dragon all over Malaysia. Lizard. Maybe probably it's not Komodo dragon. It's probably some. I don't know what they call this lizard, but they can grow quite big. It's common in Asia and even in Singapore. Here they have a lot of different type of birds. Monkey, I don't know. And you see New York Hotel right here. City DMP Plaza is right on the left. And right there, Grove Hotel. This is the first time I walk here. Usually I drive by. And I want to see how hard is it to walk from here to KSL. I'm gonna have my lunch there. CTS Sky, you see. CTS Sky 88. Sugar cane, banana tree, whatever this is. They have a nice pool here in CTS Sky. Nice swimming pool, private gym. My family have a unit here. Ooh, I'm sweating. Just walking a little distance. Oh, 不好，不。You see the location here? Super. Downtown Singapore is down there. 5 minutes, 10 minutes without traffic, you'll be in Singapore. New York Hotel, the club, there are club in there, the club in the left. There are a lot of offices here, a few hotel here. Not a lot of choices for food. This, you see the little mall or little market there. This is very kampong style, very village like. Quite exciting to see. Oh, wait a minute. Oh no. This is Sitia. Hey, this is another one. See, this is the main road here. And coming in here, there's a main road to Tabrau. Jalan Tabrau is right there in front. And then I should be turning left before that. Here are newer restaurants. Before, here's a car repair shop, body shop. I made a mistake. My family owned one unit here, not that, not at Sitia. What's this called? Most of the shops are closed. Asiapat or Asiapat or look like they blocked the small little road to KSL. Oh, taxi. Ah, this is the Malay nasi lemak place. Malay rice. I was here the other day. Nasi lemak with a very small chicken and rice, ikan bilis, which is tiny fish, and chili, and a cup of coffee. That cost 12 ringgit. That's about four Singapore dollars. This is a piece of lot which is waiting to developed. Probably worth a lot of money. This is first time I come here. First time walking here. Freak. Look like a kampong. Fuck. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh, look at that. This kind of quill or something. Oh, this is very kampong like. Kind of like Sarawak. Oh, this is a shortcut. Pelangi is there. You can see mango. Whee! Mango is popular here. It's very easily seen everywhere. Here, they are easily grown. Very a bunch of fruit. Okay, this is for sell, room for rent. Wow. This is a terrace house, which is Link House, and they just took all the space, all the garden yard space, and extend the house. This another renovation. This is all double-story low-cost housing. Long time ago, low cost. Could be 50,000. Now it's probably 300,000. You can buy it, but only for local. You buy it, you renovate it, just like that guy did. I like this place, not because it's so central. Wait a minute, I'm here, so that is the road to KSL. Oh, actually further than I thought. A lot of potential here. Wow. Nice. See, after renovation you can make it look like this. Very comfortable. Very much like houses you see in Vietnam. They take down on this and they build this. But this houses is worth it compared to Vietnam because this is a freehold. You own it forever. You can own it for 100 years. Just give it to your children, give your grandchildren, pass it down. You can own it forever. Nice, huh? Pelangi is here. So yesterday I was here walking from Pelangi to KSL. Now I'm walking further away. Left hand side, I can walk from there and cut straight through to KSL, which I drove by many times. Today I'm just going to walk the road. Here is there's a lot of tuition center here among this 3-story shop house. Usually there's a lot of parents wait along the roadside, congest the whole roadway. So when you don't pick up, you don't drive by here when it's a student attending tuition or getting out from tuition. This place stinky as usual, expected. Smell badly, the trash. People just don't take care of, government don't take care, whatever. Private car park. Oh, there's a food center. Must be interesting.